Frustration in ministries is so common among us. From ministry challenges, family struggles, obstacles, finances, you're not alone. Look what it says here in 2 Timothy chapter 3, verse 1. But understand this, that in the last days will come perilous times of great stress and trouble, hard to deal with and hard to bear. God uses these struggles and these difficulties to bring us to something better and something new, and to guide us toward transformation. If we're not careful and we don't understand what's going on, it can be devastating, and the decisions that we make can be very harmful to our families, to our ministries, and to our relationship with God. This is why it's important to have people with you, people that understand what you're going through, people that have been there, people that will support you as you walk through this process, people that won't judge you and will keep confidentiality. I know all of you are very familiar with the metamorphosis of a caterpillar and a butterfly. That transformation process is so parallel to our own process of transformation. First thing that happens is the caterpillar begins to go to work on the chrysalis or the cocoon. This is a very, very touchy and dangerous area because he must be very careful not to break the attachment to the leaf called a silk button. If he does, it falls to the ground and is eaten by ants. That's a good time to call points of refuge when you feel like you're vulnerable and don't know what to do. When you call and bring someone in, you've got a partner to help you through that transformation. I watched a video one time of a caterpillar inside the chrysalis, and what happened is that he just began to melt on the inside and became what they called mush. He became nothing. And once he became nothing, then he could become the butterfly. Sometimes we feel like we're just losing it. Sometimes we feel like we're just nothing. But as we bring ourselves to God, He continues to bring us through that transformation, and we become the butterfly. It's very interesting, at the end of the transformation, the chrysalis begins to darken and then becomes transparent. From the outside, you can see the butterfly and see what he's going to become. But from the inside, the butterfly has no clue. And so oftentimes when you have a points of refuge help, you can have somebody that can see you, that maybe what you can't see, and bring you to that place of continuing and breaking out of that cocoon and becoming the butterfly, the man or woman of God that you want to become. In the final hours of that transformation, that metamorphosis, the cocoon begins to crack and the butterfly tumbles out and emerges into his new world. Transformation won't work unless we're honest with ourselves and take a good look. That means feeling the pain, feeling the frustration, and recognizing it. When we feel that pain, that motivates us to deal with the pain. And as we deal with the pain and invite God in to minister to us and to help us, that brings us to the healing. Points of Refuge stands by, willing to bring support, to hear what you're saying and to support you and motivate you and help you to come to that place of healing that all of us want. I invite you to check out our website. There you'll find a list of all of our Points of Refuge representatives, their bios, and their contact information. Also, articles that relate to the things we've talked about today, and also videos that you can watch. Also, you can call the 800 numbers, the English and in Spanish, and there'll be a representative there to respond to your recording, and we'll get back to you right away. We want to help you. We want to be there with you, someone to come alongside, taking you to something better and something new.